Welcome to Content Structure Mastery. In this series, we'll explore how to organize information in ways that captivate your audience, whether you're writing articles, creating videos, or building presentations. Strong structure is the foundation of effective communication. Content structure is the backbone of how you organize and present information. It's the framework that guides your audience through your message in a logical, easy-to-follow way. Think of it like building a house. Without a solid structure, everything falls apart. Good structure helps your audience understand, remember, and act on what you're saying. Why does structure matter so much? First, it improves clarity. Your audience knows exactly what to expect and where you're going. Second, it boosts retention. People remember information that's organized logically better than random facts. Third, it builds credibility. When you present information in a clear, organized way, people trust you more. And finally, it increases engagement. A well-structured message keeps people interested from start to finish. There are several tried-and-true ways to organize content. Chronological order works great for tutorials and stories. You present events in the order they happen. Problem-solution structure is perfect for sales and persuasive content. You identify a problem, then show how to solve it. Comparison and contrast helps when you're weighing options. Importance-based organization puts your strongest points first or last, depending on your goal. And categorical organization groups related ideas together. Choose the pattern that best fits your message and audience. The inverted pyramid is a powerful technique, especially for online content and news writing. You start with the most important information at the top, the headline, the key takeaway. Then you add supporting details and context as you go down. Less important information comes last. Why? Because people often skim content. By putting your most critical information first, you ensure they get the main message even if they don't read everything. This structure is incredibly effective for grabbing and holding attention. The hero's journey is a storytelling framework that works exceptionally well for brand narratives and motivational content. It follows a simple arc. Your hero faces a challenge or quest, encounters obstacles and learns lessons, and ultimately transforms or succeeds. Your audience sees themselves as the hero. You position your product, service, or message as the guide that helps them overcome their challenges. This emotional connection is powerful. It makes your content memorable and compelling. Visual formatting is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. Use short paragraphs. Long walls of text make people tune out. Break up information with subheadings so people can scan and find what matters to them. Use bullet points to highlight key ideas. Add images, videos, or diagrams to illustrate concepts. Use color strategically to draw attention to important information. Vary your formatting to keep things interesting. Remember, your goal is to make the content as easy to consume as possible. To keep your audience attention, start with a hook. Open with a compelling question, surprising fact, or relatable problem. Tell stories and use concrete examples to make abstract concepts tangible and memorable. Create interactive elements by encouraging questions, anticipating objections, and inviting participation. Vary your content delivery by mixing text, visuals, and audio. Use pacing to build momentum. Finally, reinforce your main message throughout to ensure it sticks. Here are the key takeaways from this series. Structure is not just organization. It's a strategic tool for clarity and impact. Choose the right organizational pattern for your content and audience needs. Visual formatting and readability are essential for engagement and retention. Engagement comes from intentional design choices applied consistently throughout your content. Remember, well-structured content transforms how information is understood, remembered, and acted upon by your audience. Apply these principles to everything you create.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.